Let's learn about farm animals with Bluey. How many times a day should cows be milked? Cows should be milked twice a day. How long do cows eat and chew cud each day? 6 hours eating and 8 hours chewing? Wow, that is super long. How much milk does a cow produce each day? 10 gallons? Holy cow, that's a lot. How many stomachs do cows have? 4. They have 4 stomachs. You and me only have 1. Now let's have a look at some pigs. Let's learn about pigs. What do you call a male, female, and a baby pig? A male pig is called a boar. A female is a sow, and a baby pig is a piglet. A pig's nose is called a snout. Do you know what they use their snout for? They use their snout to sniff out and dig for food. Do you know how long pigs sleep every day? They sleep about the same as a human, about 8 hours each day. That's the same as you and me. Do you know how many babies a pig can have in one litter? About 7 to 14 piglets in one litter. How about why pigs roll in mud? Do you have any idea? They roll in the mud because it cools them down and protects them from sunburns and bug bites. How about we visit the chicken coop and listen to the chickens tell some jokes and sing some songs?
It's time to sing a song.
Okay, here's a song that keeps us a-cooking.
Howdy! We're very excited to be here.
Do you know the song Head and Shoulders, Knees and Toes?
Well, we chickens are gonna sing it.
And you have to touch the body parts we sing about.
For instance, when we sing head, you touch your head. Let's try it. Head.
Oh, that's good. Let's go.
Head and shoulders, knees and toes.
Knees and toes.
Head and shoulders, knees and toes.
Knees and toes.
Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes.
Knees and toes.
Head and shoulders, wings and tails.
Wings and tails.
Head and shoulders, wings and tails.
Wings and tails.
Eyes and ears and chicken feet. Head and shoulders, wings and beaks. Head and shoulders, wings and tails. Head and shoulders, wings and tails.
Wings and tails.
Eyes and ears and chicken feet. Head and shoulders, wings and beaks. Head and shoulders, wings and tails. Head and shoulders, wings and tails.